I'm working on my summer journal and diary, and I'm using this Alice in Wonderland collection, and I think it's ideal for doing another round with you guys and with your friends. I just wanted to show you how I'm completing it, because I'm just having so much fun, and I'm telling kind of like my story, how am I feeling, and the little things in life that matter to me at the moment, exploring. And then because I'm using this collection, I'm kind of getting sentences that are very English and from the book, and then I'm writing my experience. I've been out in London. I'm kind of decorating, being a queen, and then writing a little bit and supporting my writing with all these pieces. And we're happy with the state. And here I was working on painting some things. And it looks so dirty, but it looks so cool. I actually love it. And then here we go. So I'm talking about Romeo and Juliet, and I've made this with fabric, and I'm using some of the things, the kind of stickers from the collection. And yeah, so I think this collection could be super fun for you and your friends. I think this could work very well.